Welcome to TMB Designs. I am Trevina, your host of this fabulous lifestyle channel. It is full of inspiration, motivation, and creativity. Hey guys, it's Trevina with TMB Designs, and today I'm so excited to come to you with another awesome collaboration, as we like to say, a fab collab. This collab, you guys, has been hosted by Miss Kimberly Davis of Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. This is her fourth annual Family Christmas Traditions, as well as Tablescape collab, a Christmas Tablescape. The rules were simple. You just share your family traditions and showcase a beautiful Christmas tablescape. Now, as far as family traditions, some of you may know that my love and I were recently married, so we have a beautifully blended family. So we are new to the family traditions. We are starting to create our own and do what works best for our blended family. So in communicating, talking with him and our divas that we call the Glamour Girls, we decided that we would each year choose a favorite movie, because that's one of the things that I love to do, is watch Christmas movies. So we'll sit around in our PJs, sip on some hot cocoa, maybe some nice warm chili or soup, and we will just binge out on all of our favorite movies. So whoever is here at the time with us, we will share in their favorite movie. My love, he loves A Christmas Story. I love Best Man Holiday. My daughter loves Home Alone, and so on and so forth. And so we will just choose a movie that each one of us like and sit around and enjoy that family time together. Another tradition that we both love to do and are incorporating into our family is that we love to go look at the Christmas lights, you guys. I absolutely love cruising around the beautiful neighborhoods that are all decked out for the holidays, and many neighborhoods have a festival of lights, and so each year we kind of ride through the parade of lights and just enjoy the beautiful decor from year after year. So those are some of the things that we love to do as family traditions. Now, as far as the tablescapes, you guys, you know I love doing tablescapes, and anytime I can create something for the most wonderful time of the year, I am all about it. Christmas is by far my favorite time of year. I absolutely love it. I mean, it's Jesus' birthday, so how can we not celebrate it? So I decided this year was going to be Reindeer Wishes, you guys. That is the theme of my tablescape for this year. As you see the beautiful tree sitting in the background, it pulls the whole story together. I love for each tablescape to tell a story. So this story is Reindeer Wishes. You guys, I am so excited. Not only am I collabing with my beautiful sister, Miss Kimberly Davis, but I've also, you guys, partnered with King of Christmas. And this beautiful swag that you see, this garland that's center stage on the table, was compliments of them. It is a beautiful frosted garland, pre-lit with a timer. You guys, I absolutely love it. Battery operated, so you don't have to worry about plugging anything in. It has a timer, so you don't have to worry about turning anything off. Absolutely perfect, and it creates a beautiful ambiance for the holiday season. Everything here was just, as I like to do, strategically put together to create a beautiful table setting. Upon creating this table setting, after creating my theme of Reindeer Wishes, I thought about what type of vibe or what type of feel I wanted in the space. And I knew I wanted a very wintry, cozy, yet elegant vibe. So I set my sight, I was looking for things to create this tablescape. And I saw, you guys, these beautiful faux fur placemats and runners. They were a little out of my price range, so being the savvy DIYer that I am, I made a quick trip to Joann's fabric store and picked up some faux fabric and created my own. I created a look for less, so I am absolutely thrilled with the results of that, you guys. Then I coupled just all these beautiful pieces, the napkin rings from Totally Dazzled, the beautiful plates from Z Gallery, the boaters from Burlington, these reindeer from Hobby Lobby. Everything here, you guys, just creates a beautiful Reindeer Wishes theme. And now, without any further ado, I will let you guys go in and enjoy a closer view of this tablescape. I'll give you more details in the end. Enjoy! Okay guys, now let's go in and discuss the details of this beautiful, beautiful tablescape. I am so in love with every aspect of it. It pulled my entire reindeer wishes together. I love, 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 love. I think I said love enough. Love this tablescape. You guys, I wanted to create that wintry, snowy vibe with the DIY runner as well as my placemats. I was so proud of myself, you guys. I didn't want just the standard square ones. I fell in love with that round detail, so I just traced out some placemats that I already had in a round shape on the back of the fabric and cut around it. So that created the beautiful backdrop for any color palette. But this, you guys, absolutely stunning. Okay, so let's go to the centerpiece. Let's discuss the details of the centerpiece first. Once I created my DIY runner, I then layered on this amazing garland from King of Christmas, you guys. It is so, 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 so beautiful. I don't know if the camera is doing any justice. The details in this garland is amazing. It has such a realistic feel, and as you see, there's not a lot of shedding with this particular garland, which I do love. Now, although the garland was gorgeous by itself with the warm LED lights, I wanted to create some texture and dimension, so I began to add on picks, layering in, you guys. That is the key to a lush design. You'll hear me say that time and time again, is to layer, layer, layer. Layers equal luxe. Always remember that. So let's go in and I show you the picks that I added. I came in with these beautiful little picks I got here from Joann's, you guys, at 70% off. These beautiful picks also from Joann at 70% off, having that little frosted detail. It just complemented and blended in with the garland perfectly. Once I added in that, you guys, I was pretty pleased with the texture and dimension that it created for me. I created the figure 8 pattern with the garland. I could have allowed the garland to run just lengthwise down, but I knew I wanted a little bit of depth, so I folded it in the figure 8 motion, creating just little nooks or openings for each of my pieces to sit. So I have the Mercury vase sitting down in that little nook, and then I have my reindeer, Dancer and Prancer sitting proudly on either side. I absolutely love that, you guys, and I felt it would be a nice touch to just bring in some ornaments to tie in the colors. And so I have a beautiful rose gold one, a gorgeous mint or aqua colored one, and then of course your classic champagne. Absolutely love the way those all just tied in beautifully. For that added extra touch in the center, I just added that salt and pepper shaker that I got from Z Gallery to bring in a little more glam. Now you guys, this centerpiece is giving me all types of champagne glory. You guys know I love the color champagne, and these picks were collected over time, probably about 3 to 4 years in the making. I just pulled different ones together to create a lot of texture and dimension. When you're doing monochromatic, you always want to bring in texture. So I did so, and then Hobby Lobby came out with these beautiful rose gold colored little picks. You guys, they're so gorgeous. They have like an icicle effect to them. When I saw them in rose gold, they have them in champagne as well as a true gold and maybe a silver, but when I saw them in the rose gold, I knew it would be perfect to add to my collection. Guys, these reindeer were amazing all by themselves, but I felt they needed a little extra oomph, so Dancer and Prancer got a little makeover with this faux fur collar that I had left over from my runner and my placemats. Then I wanted to just bring in a little bit more glam to the theme, so I went ahead and pulled in these beautiful votives, candle votives that I got from Burlington to flank either side, and my centerpiece was complete. Now that centerpiece, you guys, can stand center stage all by itself. No dinnerware placemats were needed, but I wanted to just create again another layer of luxe and glam to my tablescape. So of course I'm going to bring in some beautiful dinnerware, you guys, and I tried my hand at layering on different prints and textures. You guys know I kind of like to stick with a same set, but this time I broke the set up. So glad I tried it because I love the end result. I picked up these beautiful aqua color chargers from Z Gallery. Then I found these absolutely stunning rose gold color plates from, where did I get these from? Oh, I got these from Home Goods. I almost said the at-home store, you guys. I had to freeze for a minute. So I layered those on, and then I remember that I had the champagne set already. Now I do have that set in a place in the saucers, but I just pulled in the saucer just to bring in all three colors, my aquas, my rose golds, and my champagnes. And you guys, these beautiful napkins, I hauled these quite a while ago. They are from Home Goods as well. They have a beautiful metallic-y champagne texture to them, absolutely stunning. And to set it off, I added my beautiful rose gold Diante napkin rings from Totally Dazzled. I absolutely love them, you guys. And then for my drinkware, you guys, I pulled in my stemless martini glasses from Pure One, and I added to them the flutes, also from Pure One. This set just speaks glam. It speaks Christmas, and it definitely speaks TMB. I absolutely love it, love it, love it. And to add that extra little finishing touch, I had these beautiful reindeer pillows that I picked up from Ross Home Stores a couple of seasons ago, and I just flanked each of the captain seats with those to just bring in that extra touch of glam and finesse. I love it, love it, love it, you guys. So here it is, my Reindeer Wishes Tablescape. Be sure, you guys, after you've watched my video, go ahead and click on that playlist and view all of the other amazing sisters content. Don't tell them I told you, but the dream team is on board, and you don't want to miss not one single video. Those are some amazing creators that have come together to create a beautiful, beautiful playlist of inspiration and motivation for your pleasure. The plan was to give you all inspiration and ideas on how to style your home up for the holiday season. Now, I want to give Miss Kimberly a big shout out for 4 years and running. This will be an annual tablescape, you guys, and I look forward to it year after year. After all, it's for Jesus. Happy birthday, Jesus. And if you're going to go all out for the Lord, you may as well go big, right? So thanks to King of Christmas for this beautiful garland. Thanks to Kimberly Davis for this amazing collab. And thanks to you all for taking the time to view this amazing tablescape. If you're new here through the collab, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join my TMB family. My Deck the Hall series is in full swing, and you guys, it's coming to an end with my amazing Christmas home tour. You don't want to miss it. If you think this is amazing, wait till you see what else I have in store for you. Now, for my tried and true, I want you guys to know that I so love and appreciate you. Thank you for your continued support. Now, until the next video, I want you all to have a blessed and most beautiful, beautiful day. Smooches.